How to verify your Lemfi account, step by step. Verifying your Lemfi account is essential to unlock full features and send money without limits. And here's how to do it step by step. First, log into your Lemfi app on your phone. If you don't have it yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store and sign up. Once logged in, go to Settings and tap Verify Account. Next, you'll need to upload a valid government-issued ID, such as a passport or driver's license. Make sure the document is clear and readable in the picture or the scan. Then, follow the app's instructions to take a live selfie so they can match your face with your ID image. Once submitted, Lemfi will review your details. This process usually takes a few minutes to a few hours, so you'll receive a notification once your account is active. And that's it. Your Lemfi account is now fully verified, allowing you to send and receive money without restrictions. Thanks for watching.